welcome to Cooking with
Ali, and today I'm going to show you how to make the spookiest dinner of your lives. Are you ready to die?
add your human limbs. Chicken to the blender, and you're gonna shred it. Heat your oven to 400 degrees. Shred up your human part. You're gonna add 2 cups of it to a bowl, and then next you're gonna add 8 ounces of cream cheese. 2 cups of cheese. 1.5 cup of human blood. 1.5 cups of ranch. You're gonna want to mix it. It looks like this. Do is flour at your station like this. Take your human skin, pizza dough, and you're gonna throw it on there, and you're gonna roll it out. You're gonna cut it up in triangles like this, and you're gonna put it in the oven for about 12 minutes on 400 degree heat. You're gonna take a sliver of dough, and you're gonna put a piece of cheese block in the middle of it, and then you're gonna roll it up. It's about 16 times. You're gonna take them out once they're risen and brown, like that. Look something like this, and you're gonna pour your mixture into the middle. You're gonna put it in your oven for about 35 minutes on bake. Once it is done, you're gonna take it out carefully. Do not burn yourself, and it should look something like this. You're gonna put your eyes, your nose, and your mouth on. Boom. Now you're gonna rub all the dough down with melted butter. And once you're done with that, you're gonna let it sit aside. That look good. If you like this spooky episode of Cooking with Ali, drop a like down below and comment down below what food I should try next. Until then, I'll see you guys next time.